Do you want to check betting odds instantly while following matches on Flashscore app? In this video, I will show you how to view betting odds on the Flashscore app step by step so you can stay updated with real-time odds alongside live scores. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Flashscore app. Then here in this page, you will find this window of profile with settings, so you will tap on this feature. Then here in this page of settings, you will find something called betting odds. So you will find here show odds in the list of games, so you will tap here to enable this feature in easy way, as you see. So that's it. That's how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.